Bye. Oh. Ethel 다요. How this? 아, 이삐. 아야야. I'm live, right? Am I alive? Yeah, I am. Okay, hello, welcome. So, today we are continuing this here thing. Gonna make the main menu. I already edit some things like now the endings will be randomized. Like, you get random endings. It's run. And then there's also the lose condition. So now let's make the main menu. Hey, hello, company slave. Yeah, I'm a slave. I'm a company slave. That company is myself. This is the game. No. Menu. Ah, yeah. Okay. Main menu canvas. Let's see. Gonna make me some buttons. CPU. Thinking. I think it's better if it's like this. Play. I don't know, they might be too large. Okay. Here's the play button. Then we have the story. Thinking. I think the play button can actually be something like here. Nah, I like it there. I think story can be like so. have collection. Oh wait, no. Nine to 5 chigawa. Nihara working is from below. Nani? Oscar, hello, how the game going? Going nice. Going nice. Okay, hold up. Hold on. This would be more something like this. I think that's better. It's the collection. And then the settings. Not like that, huh? Okay. Hold on now. Settings. I don't know. Oh, MK. What's an MK? Imatihala Ethel withstanding the sun. Yes, I can withstand the sun. Amazing show. Sugoi show. How about this then? Story. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Then we have the character here, right? In the middle. Okay, sounds good. Oh my god, alright, yeah, oh my god. So stupid. Actually, this can also be like more like this. Put it here. Nice. Okay. Looks good. And then to the mic. Huh? Yeah? Say hi? Yeah? My cat doesn't want to meow. Mama lagi kerja. She wants attention. Cute little thing, what? Okay. Kayaknya ngantuk sangat loh, mati lah. Hello? Hello? I forgot something. I need to make a stage selection first. Hiya. Okay, instead of main menu, we're gonna be making a stage selection first then. Let's make a new one. Stages. Selection handler. Panel. どうかなこれ。Stages. Okay. I'm gonna make a selection. Horizontal. I'm sweating. My ghost is the one who do puzzle. Why ghost? So dia welcome. Selection button. Stage selection. Stage select button. Just call it stage select. Okay, so the button, the width is like I don't know, 400. Okay. Let's put it in the middle. There you go. States select. Put it here in the prefab. Bam. Four. Only fitting 4, huh? What game is this? Hello, MZKDB. I'll just call you MZ. It's a research management roguelike visual novel. I don't know what even is the genre. I think this 300, huh? Only fitting 5 foot. I wanted to at least fit 6. Divided by 6. 300. Okay, you know what? There you go. Fit 6 foot. Umapya eh. Yeah, somewhat like Sumil, but without the horse racing thing, the horse racing part. Kinda. What even is the genre for Umamusume? Is it RPG? Okay, so that's the stages, right? Then we have the back button. Okay. Nice. Let me make the scripts. First of all, right? You're gonna need to make a stage data. Fishful Hara, ironically Uma is action Maji. It's Uma. As you can release on your personal project, it will be released on. I plan to release on Itch and Google Play. So what I'm trying to do is I want to make a template, right? A template for a game that I can just reskin over and over again and then just spam that game, right? Reskin, release, something like that. So eventually I'm gonna have like this huge like big collection of like a game with similar gameplay, right? Similar genre. But of course, like, it's not like it's gonna be a just spam game, you know. I'll actually put in effort in the story, characters, and some changes from one game to another, kind of like that. So yeah, mainly I want to focus this on like Google Play, I guess, because I want to put ads in it. That you can also pay to just remove the ads, but the PC version they won't have ads. You'll just have it on each. It's free. Yeah, it's gonna be free, I think. Even the Google Play one's gonna be free. And then we'll have if any of the game is popular enough, I'll put it on Steam. Probably like, I don't know, for $4 or something like that. It's like releasing on Steam requires money. So if I want to spam, I cannot put it on Steam all the time. Gamedev stuff. Nani, so you want to make a blueprint? Yeah, something like that. Invest all the money lead to Google Play. No, give me a lot of money. Okay, stage data. What we're gonna have here is public data, opening dialog, public data, endings, right? Public turn count, no, turn data. I think that's all I need actually. Yeah, that's pretty much all I need for the stage data. Okay, and then we go back to Unity first. Let's make a create simple stage one. The open. We only have one dialogue right now, so yeah. Just gonna use this, right? And then we also gonna need to make a script calling it stage select button. I'm gonna do spam games, and after I get in, if it works and I get enough money to sustain myself even more reliably, then I'll actually make something different. You know, like develop something bigger. Maybe actually hire people and all this stuff. Because I need money, okay? Happy welcome. It's like using PMP. Repetitive text. Stage name. No. Private. No. Stage data. This actually has to be like this. Setup. Void setup. Stage name dot text equals data dot name. Click. Public void click. Here at the start we call for setup. Nice. Where did you learn this stuff? Experience. I got the basic from school, like the very basic of what programming even is. And then from there, I learned myself from internet tutorial. And then I got into a game company, so that's where I learned a lot of stuff too. And here I am. Okay, state select button. I'm not really like how do I put it? I don't think I'm really all that good in this whole thing, to be honest, because like I only know the basic things. So yeah, it's not like I'm a master at making games or anything like that. Nice. And then hey, we're gonna need to do some stuff here. Let's make another script. Call it stage handler. We're gonna need to do it like stage select handler. Then in the game handler, this we're gonna have to make public static. Then there's also the turn handler. Turn data. This also like public static. Bam. Bam. That's cool. Thank you. And again, that you were released on Google Play. Google Play. I think the games that I released, they're already deleted. They're too old. But I do have an itch page and 2 games on Steam. So like, here's my itch. And then you can try searching my name, Ethel Chamomile, on Steam. You'll find 2 games. Alright, so here we have a... I don't think I need to do the thing. So, play, I guess. Public void play stage data. So game handler dot whatchamacallit, opening dialog equals data dot opening dialog. Game handler dot endings equals data dot endings. Then turn handler dot turn count. Turn data. Oops. I cannot. Data. Okay. This code is like data. Then gonna put something like here. What the frick? Huh? Apa sih aning private string game scene string. There you go. Change field private string. Gonna also need to use the engine scene management. Scene manager dot change. No. I forgot. Load scene, right? Load scene, game scene. And And then there's the back button. Private apa sih anjing. Private string, main menu, string empty, public void back. Just gonna load the scene. Bam. So, okay. Lah orang Indo yang memang. Alright, let's go back. Put it here. Oh wait, forgot. So here it is like button. State selecting. This one I need to make an instance for it. Private static state select handler. Instance no. Public static instance. Get if instance now. Then instance. Some other one. File objects type. State select handler. Sort by none. Return. Instance. Over here, say select handler dot instance dot play, and then we pass on the data. Nice. And then here in the game handler, this panel we're gonna have to change here. Private string state select scene. Using Unity engine dot scene management, and then check loose exit display false. No, we don't do that anymore. We go scene manager dot load scene select state select scene. Bam, nice. Cyber Cobalt Nanny. Okay, come, hurry up. Man, it's only been half an hour? Seriously? I feel like I've made a good enough, like, progress already. Okay, let's see what the scenes are. Game, main menu, state select. So here's game, here's main menu. Then, if we go to this, go here, state select. I'm gonna delete that. First, we are at the main menu, then state select the game, and then here in the main menu, let's see. We're gonna might as well, right? Okay. Cyber Cobalt. In a way, it's getting fast. I'm always being fast, boy. Private string state select scene string empty. Using Unity engine dot scene management, state select public void state select scene manager dot load scene. Bam, nice, simple as that. Go back here. What game to Roblox? I don't even play Roblox. That Roblox is a thing. And like, I don't know, I'm just not really interested. Okay. Stay back here. Here in the scene, the back button. Need to do something here. Oh, it's already called a click. Okay, that's good. The back here, gonna call for back function. Okay, so now what's gonna happen is we go to main menu, right? We start from the game from the main menu. And then when I click the play button, okay, we can select the stages here. If we go back, then it loads the main menu again. Very nice. Play here, and then we can just like sample stage 1, like here. Bam! We're in the game. Nice. And time. Return. Flop. Pop. 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 You lose. I lost. Okay. Nice. We go back to the thing. I can just keep going. Very nice. Very nice. This is pretty awesome. You win! Amazement! Amazing! It works! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! You spammed Roblox by the day. No, I did not. The first time I did Roblox stream, like there was a weird guy in the voice chat. Interesting. Nice! Alright. So, next up, what I need to do is going to be the story panel, right? Yeah. Gonna make the story. So, you can select like the story of it. And then sorry, there's like story selection, right? And then when you click, you can view the story. Gunnerma Nani. I'm thinking to have like the main story and character story, right? I think that'd be nice. My back. Okay, hold on. I'm so sleepy right now. Thinking. Main story, character story. How am I gonna do it? This one's gonna be a bit tricky because like when you go to select the story, right? I would like the player to, instead of going back to the very beginning of the story scene. They just stay in the last part of the story scene that they were, right? Wouldn't that be nicer? Yeah. How's that? Oh. I think the easiest way to do this is to make it pages instead. Yeah, let's go do that. Why not? Okay, we're gonna make a new scene. Story select. Story select handler. Then we Ethel na have a canvas. Story select canvas. Okay. Okay. Type selection. No, that's too much, I think. No. Okay, that looks good enough. Main story, right? I used to be this way, make it easier for myself. There. Main story and character study, right? Let's see. Main story, character study, Liz. Gila. It's conversation. The story is one page. No lah. What do you mean? This is just for the selection. Then we gonna have also the, let's go to stick select first. Just gonna grab this back button, copy that, and then put it here. Tab selection. Okay. So like that's the type panel, right? Okay, you click this, go back to my menu, and then we have the main story and character story. Next up, it's not like it's gonna have that much content to begin with, too. And then, I mean, like, it's not gonna have like updated content like events or whatever. So, do I even want to add character story though? Thinking. Do I even want to add character story? That's the problem here, because like, again, gotta remember, I work alone. Honestly though, probably it's a good idea, just so that people have more, you know, more incentive to play more, because characters sell. Yeah, let's do that. Character story is a must. And I like character stories anyway. Okay. So let's see. We have the type panel. So now we make the main story panel. Probably I can't finish this thing in whatchamacallit before I have to end the stream though. So main story panel, this is where the chapters are, right? So what I'm gonna do is you know what? Story collection panel. Yeah, let's see that. Okay, I know what to do. Evil. Okay, like so. And then we got like this thing gonna have like grids for the chapters, right? Retail group. Can I put it in the center? Yes, I can, which is nice. Let's put the spacing at like 40 or something, and then here we can add a button. Story collection button. What am I gonna call it? And study name. Nice. That's how the thing is gonna look like. I think that's a lot of chapters already. How many chapters is that I can fit? 21. Not bad. You might spend it one way. What do you mean? Danielle, welcome. If I can fit 21 of them like this. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so damn sleepy right now. If that's the case, honestly, I don't think I even need to make it half pages, cause like the story not gonna be that long, right? Yes, indeed. Sorry, collection button. But I feel like if I don't make the page system now, the future me gonna bonk the crap out of me. Thinking what? How do I make it? Oh, there. ちょっと待ってね. Really thinking here. Chapters. Okay, you know what? Instead of making it a grid, I think I want to make it horizontal. Yeah. Okay, middle left we start from. No, middle center, why the hell not? We have like 20 spacing and let's see. Button story collection button. This will be like, I don't know, 400. Yeah, sounds about right. So story name, place, thinking 300 might be the best option here. Yeah, 300. You're gonna go with 300 for that. So control. Put it down here. Minus 460, I guess. 470? Yeah, 470 looks right. Not a long story. Well, I don't know, maybe not that long. Then here we're gonna have 2 buttons for the navigation, so a grab button, right? Page. Like this 100. It's 400. I need to specify like this is like the page. Do I need to? I don't think I need to, honestly. Just in case, just in case. Okay. Looks fine to me. So like, yeah. You click this, one of this, and then like this is the story collection. If you click the character story, you also have to like select your characters first, right? Nice. Okay then guys, I think that's it for the stream for now. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Chamomile. Leave like and subscribe, become member. Becoming member will really help sustain me until I finish this thing. Thank you so much. Smile. Have a nice evening and take care. Smile. Wait.